Number 7. Bicycle. Listen, read aloud and enact. Raj is on the bicycle. Varad wants it. Varad pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. How do you think Raj feels? How do you think Varad feels? Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Varad shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset, and Varad, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Varad. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. Raj and Varad both want the bicycle. What could they do? Varad can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn. Okay, I will count. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Varad's turn. They have both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Varad feeling now? Answer the following questions. Who is on the bicycle? What does Raj grab back? What do Raj and Varad want? How many rounds do Raj and Varad have? How do you feel? Draw and write. When you get a chocolate, happy. When you share your things, happy. When you help your friend, happy. When you lose your pencil, sad.